Qingdao Unique New Material Company Limited, established in 2016, is a professional manufacturer engaged in research, development, sale, and service of PVC decorative film and hot stamping foil with wood grain, solid colors, stone designs, and metallic designs. More than 1,500 designs are available, which are widely used in various home decoration materials like furniture, kitchen cabinet, doors, interior and exterior building materials, etc. Every year we will push new designs for all our products. Our PVC film adopts water-based ink in printing, environmental protection, non-formaldehyde. In addition, we have obtained SGS certificates. We are located in Jiaozhou, Qingdao City, Shandong Province, with convenient transportation access like international airport, seaport, and railway station. Can ensure fast shipment to worldwide. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our staff members with more than 15 years work experience are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to more than 20 countries and regions, such as Indonesia, Vietnam, Iran, the United States, Poland, Mexico, Turkey, India, Pakistan, Chile, Brazil, Colombia, Russia, and so on. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Trust Unique. Make your product unique.